Hi dearest, welcome to the Vents channel. So I would like to ask you a question. Have you ever had this issue before when the rim of your hat is stained with glue? What do you do? Okay, let me guide you in what I did. So I will show you how it is. So can you see we have some glue stains on this hat? Now you have to be careful. You see it's a different color, so you have to be careful what you do so that it doesn't stain the other side of the hat. One is black, one is cream. So what I did was I took my black spray because it's on the black rim that I want to spray to remove the glue. Then I got my gum stain, or you can call it wording or padding. Then this is the hat, the full hat. You can see the black rim all around. I need to spray it. So what I did was I measured from that edge to the rim. It was 3.5. So I cut out the pieces of the pad or wording by 3.5. And what I did was I used pins like this and put it all around. That's to make sure that my spray doesn't touch the remaining part of the hat. So I put it in position and I sprayed it all around the rim, and it didn't touch the hat. So that's how you spray your hat to get the gum stain off. If you enjoyed it, please do subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see how the full hat was made, I have the video already up. So all you need to do is click on this video at the top right corner of your screen. Thank you for watching. Until we meet next time, it's goodbye and God bless.